I'm gonna go for a drive. So we'll see if you can focus. Anyway, the window seals are pretty well gone. So there's a bit of highway noise. Nope. With these old Ford AODs, I like to just use them in drive, so they just run through the first 3 gears. Good solid shifts that way. Shift into overdrive is a little lazy, but that's pretty normal for what I've come across. This is the most impressive part. Scoots around corners, and don't mind that stop sign there. Get to a spot where there's not a whole lot of neighbors. Brakes. It felt good. I don't know how it's going to show up in the video, but the brakes could use a bleed, but they all seem to function just fine. Just the pedal's a little bit soft for my liking. Turning circle's not fantastic either. I don't know if you have experience driving these exact LTDs, but they do not turn on a dime. Can you usually make this in one shot? Dip. Makes a good sound. Doesn't exactly go fast, but it's fun. During the summer it reads 250. I don't think it's actually hitting 250. I think those numbers are a little off, and the volt gauge needs to be hooked back up. Another thing I like about this is where the turn signals are. They're on the dash. Barely see it. Up on top, kind of funky. And the ride is a bit stiff. I'm sure the police package uses a heavier spring in these things, so it's not exactly a comfy cruiser, but it's definitely confident through the corners. I'm gonna miss this car.